Hey guys, you are welcome to my channel. This is the one and the only Chikwado Space. You are welcome. Do you see what I'm showing you? See these delicious foods? It's so yummy. So stay tuned and know how I prepare it. If you like it, God bless you for watching. So, do you see this? This is called yam. This is a tuber of yam, guys, in case of those who don't know what it is. Yes, this is a tuber of yam, and it grows in the eastern part of Nigeria. So almost everybody in the eastern part of Nigeria plant this particular food. It is being respected and like a human being. There was a day I treated this in my live stream. I was telling my friends from Philippines, South Sudan, and other part of Nigeria about this particular food. It is called yam in my dialect. I was telling them that this particular yam have different types. It's like they have like 10 types. So guys, this is called white yam and is the best among the yams. So if you want to know what I treated in that particular live stream, you can go back there in my live stream, my channel, and look for it and watch it. So guys, I told them that this is a wonderful food. Almost everybody love it. Almost everybody plant it because it's so nice and so good. So today I'm gonna show you how I prepare this particular food. There are different types you can prepare it, but today I'm gonna prepare it with beans. So you can see the title out there. It is already written. That is beans and yam porridge. So watch out how I prepare it and you will like it. There are different ways, as I said before. You can do the one of called miracle or the one of the stew or different types, but I think this is the one I love most and my children love it. So if you want to know how I prepare this delicious food, don't go away and keep on watching. For my new and my old subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you for tuning in once again. I thank you so much for watching my video, sharing and commenting and giving me wonderful comments. God bless you. And if today is your first day seeing my video, I say welcome and keep on watching also. And after watching, please consider to subscribe to our channel. Be part of this family and you will not regret it. And God bless you. Keep on watching. I have already finished peeling this yam. Now I'm gonna wash it. As you know, this is the beans. I've already cooked it with pressure pot so that it can done so fast. You know, this is my method, cooking with pressure pot. Already done. So I will keep it now and boil the yam a bit, and then I will cook them together. Just continue watching. Yam now is on the fire cooking. I will not cook it too much. It will be a bit cooked. Then I will keep on preparing other things. Just continue watching. We are peeling our onions and our tomatoes. This tomato and onions, I'm gonna blend them differently because we are going to use it to make the sauce of this beans and yam porridge. Guys, just continue watching. I think you need to watch what I'm doing now, and God bless you. Okay, the yam is done. We're gonna remove it now and prepare the sauce. Yeah, I'm adding the sunflower oil on the pan in the pan, and this is blended tomatoes, and this is blended onions. We're gonna use it to make a small sauce. We're gonna use this is shrimps. So guys, I wanna use these shrimps to make this yummy, you know. I don't want to use fresh fish. I just want to eat these shrimps to make it look good and taste good. You can use it. Be free to use any type of fish you want. You can use dry fish. You can use fresh fish. You can use crayfish. But today I decided to use shrimps to make it look awesome and this tastes good also. So keep on watching, guys. I think you have to watch what I'm doing now. God bless you. Okay, guys, you can see it has become a wonderful food, guys. Do you see how it looks like? It looks so good. So, guys, this is how I prepare this particular food. So guys, I do cook here, I do mukbang, I do family lifestyle. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and you will not regret it. I have other videos there in the channel. Please, you can check my previous videos, and please like, comment, tell me how you feel about the video, any video you watch, and please like. And if there is anything you want me to prepare or make for you, I will do it wonderfully. God bless you for watching. Love you all, and God loves you the most. Bye for now. Remember, this is the one and the only Chikwado Space. Bye.